Hello everyone, good morning. So, just a quick update. We're supposed to pick up a motorbike today, but then the seller said she muddled off the MOT date, so it's moved until Saturday. But I've already booked my friends with me, and guess what? We're going to have a barbecue. Paul, say hi. Um, I haven't I haven't posted for a while because I was doing the garden and the shed for the motorcycle. He's the previous owner has a motorcycle in the house, and he converted his shed as his motorcycle garage. He's got electricity inside. He's got light and plug for the what do you call that? The thing that you charge the battery. I forgot the name, but if you know, you can comment on the comment sections. Okay, so um we'll just have a barbecue for a while, and then maybe I'll post another video soon. Okay, see you guys later.